Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I will show you where you can check the factory tire size and tire pressure as well. So in case you're on the market to buy new tires or you're just adding air to the tires, you can check this information on a special sticker on the door frame. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so once you open the driver's door, you will see a sticker here on the door frame. And size, dimension, and called tire pressure. Now, front tires, rear tires, and spare tire. So front and rear 235/45 R19, spare tire 125/70 18. So this will be like a donut tire, and recommended tire pressure 38 psi for front and rear and 60 psi for the spare tire. And you should have this sticker on your vehicle as well, and here you can check this information. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.